What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Google business profile for your business in order to show in search results and grow your business and reach more customers. So once you set up your business profile, it'll show up on Google searches. So in order to show you what I mean by setting up your Google business profile and how it can help you grow your business and reach more customers and show in the Google search results, let's search. I search here for Hell's Kitchen restaurant, which is a very popular restaurant owned by none other than Gordon Ramsay, the legendary chef. And if we scroll down a bit here, we can see places on the map here, the places of the restaurant. Now, this is what you are going to get once you set up your Google business profile, so that here the location. And once I select one of them, so like the Hell's Kitchen in the United States, I get many info, so like photos, website. I can say that I can call them, I can view their number, I can view their like some questions and answers, and I can view like the menu, some reviews, and so on. So here and some ratings. So here are some of the info that you can get once you set up your Google business profile. So if we choose the next or the other restaurant, here we can see the open and closing hours. Okay, and we can see the phone number as well. We can see some questions and answers. We can see the ratings, the reviews, and also some photos, the menu, and so much more. So basically, this is what I'm talking about when I say that you have to set up a Google business profile for your business in order to grow it. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to set up your profile, your business profile. So you need, the easiest way to get to the page that you want is to search for Google business profile and then go to the first result here, the Google business profile. Okay, get listed on Google. And from here in this page, you want to click on sign in. And here you will enter your business details. So your business name, let's say How to Simple. Okay, this name is available. We can create a business with this name. Okay, and then continue. And here you want to select your business type. So if it's like an online retail, a local store, or a service business, so that you do not have like a physical store, however, you are selling business. And an online retail is an online store where you can sell like products. So let's say we are a service business, so we offer like online services. So the business category, like online services, or like accounting firm. So anything just for the sake of this video. Okay, click on next. And here, where do you serve your customers? So we can search and select areas. So let's say we are located in the United States, so New York. Okay, you can add as many areas as you want. So let's say like California. I know they are not even close to each other. However, for the sake of this video, just show you how to select areas. Okay, next. And here you want to edit or like add your phone number so that people can help you. So here you can select your country and then add your phone number, or optionally your website. So I'm just here, for the sake of this video, I'm going to paste like a dummy number, United States dummy number, just to show you. Okay, that looks good. Let's click on next. And here you want to put your business on the map. So get news and tips about how to improve, get invitations to participate in occasional surveys and pilots. So no, I do not want this right now. So let's click on continue. And now you need to verify your account here. So you need to enter your address, your street address, or like country, street address, city, state, and zip code, or you can verify later. So I'll click on verify later. Okay, now you need to add your business hours. So here by default it is closed every day. So let's say we operate like Monday to Friday. So we will I'll select here Monday to Friday. And now let's say I'm open at like 8 a.m. to like 8 p.m. So like a 12-hour, okay? And I can also add hours. So let's say on Tuesday, I'm open from 8 a.m. to like 2 p.m. And then I close from 2 to 3 p.m. and I reopen from 3 p.m. to like 8 p.m. So here, like from 2 to 3 p.m. is like a lunch break or so on, and I can add even more hours. So let's fill it in now at Wednesday. Let's say I'm open also from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, and on Tuesday, I'm open like a bit late. So I'm open at 10 to like 8 p.m. Okay, 8. And you can also type in the time manually. So from like 10 also a.m. to like 8 p.m. Okay, and on Saturday and Sunday I am closed because it is a weekend. So let's click on next here, and we can also skip it, the set time. Now I have here the option to accept messages from our like customers. Of course, you need to enable this option. Of course, you can disable it if you want to, but I highly recommend that you enable it. And you also can skip this setting for now. And let's click next. Here you can add your business description. So let's type in, for example, hello. We are a firm that offers accounting service. However, you can type in the description that fits your business. If it's an online service, like, or if it's a store like a restaurant, a like clothing store, accessories, and so on. You can also skip it. However, let's click on next. Here you have the option to add a photo for your business. I highly recommend you do so. Here are some examples. Okay, so for now, let's skip this because I do not have a photo. Now, they give you like $500 of free advertising credit. You can claim it for now to like further promote your business through like Google ads and stuff like that. So let's skip it for now. And here your edits will be visible once you are verified. So here once you click on continue, they are going to verify your account, and once you are verified, your edits will be visible and your business will be shown, and it will be shown on like Google search. So that is how easy it is to create a profile, a business profile for your business on Google Business Profile.